Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your speaker ANKER Soundcore BOOST to the application. Firstly, we should pairing it with the phone, so open Settings, Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. Now click one time on the pairing button, power button, and it should automatically enter to pairing mode. So just click on the speaker at the device list, and we did it. Now hide the settings, open the application, now click skip, add allow, and connect. Cancel. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!